YouTube. John Star, good morning. Good morning. Hear me say. We don't even bathe, no do nothing from one. We get up and the ladies are in the kitchen cooking, preparing for Basil cookout, right? You don't know somebody fly out from all the way from Nova Scotia, right? In Castlegar, seeing? Support is support. I'm telling you that thing there already, right? So here I go now. In the kitchen, you know, say Chuck life, you see me I say? Chuck has them wife, them there here and everybody, kids and everyone, you know what I mean? Family life thing, you see me? The 15 perfect, I'm just sleep not at all. Yeah? Anyway, we are going in the kitchen and ask the ladies what them doing. I don't know what them on there though.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies. Good morning.
Good morning to you too. We're not in a good mood this morning. We're very tired.
Very tired?
Yes.
That is it. So what you girls are preparing?
Soup. Soupy.
What type of soup?
The original chicken foot and chicken.
One again?
Chicken and chicken foot. Here you go. Need to snap off.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what's your name?
My name Marsha.
Marsha.
Yes, darling.
Oh, and we already get introduced with Nicole from yesterday. So Nicole is Basil's wife, and Marsha is
Marlon.
Marlon's wife.
Right.
Okay. So the ladies are in the kitchen preparing, right? And you know, so me have to hold the camera and go with a bag of something. I don't know what you're doing.
As usual. As usual.
As usual, right?
Come and mix up
the crackers not going nice soup. I would do that from now.
So give it just a little taste of the menu in terms of what
Well,
you
the
guys
basic like pumpkin, carrot, and your chocho and thing.
Okay.
Irish.
Yard style.
Yard style.
Yeah.
See that now?
And alright, like food ingredients, you know. But because this salad you the right pumpkin. Food pumpkin, you know.
Marissa, what's your name?
What's her name?
What's your name?
What's her name?
Marissa.
Her name is Masa?
Yes.
And what's your name, Sassy?
Sassy.
Oh my God! Sassy, answer the question. So what's the baby? What's the dolly name? What's the baby name?
Marissa.
That baby that you got there. That dolly.
Ariel.
Ariel? Okay. Hi, Ariel. You see that on YouTube? Oh. We are not myself to go to the park, you know. What's it?
Yes, no man.
Going on?
You don't know. It is the place to be up at Syringa Park today. You understand? From 10 till 5. Dear things.
Tall man.
Welcome man, yeah, I full job yourself, you know, cause different place, same attitude.
See that now, see that now, see that now, see that now. See that now. Full on. Sassy, you ready?
No.
You not ready? Where your clothes is not ready? I'm here for this, Sassy.
Yes, we're ready.
Alright, I see alright. Hear me, I say now, YouTube.
Come in, my question.
See this now, I'm ready. You understand? I go play out tonight, you'll be selector. You see me, I say take some pictures and beer things. So you don't know me, I vlog as usual. As me, I say I try styles, I check in, you know. You see me? Me and Sassy apart and the whole works. We got the party right about now, so here I go on. I need to take all the time here from my head still, but here, come in, Sassy. That's YouTube, I'm here to drive the bad car in the day, and me and Sassy apart. So, basically, we are doing now.
Make sure that nobody not get lost, you know?
Yeah, so
Yeah, we have put up a sign. So as soon as a curry goat and a jerk chicken are ripe up in our ear, we don't need to put up sign, but just for the time being, you know?
Yeah.
When we have the other one for AM4 the other day,
Yeah.
a man saying get lost in a Castlegar town and I knows him follow.
Okay.
And reach the
So,
venue.
what sign look like? What sign look like?
You don't know. Jamaica, Canada link up.
Okay.
Yes, no man.
see me I say, and we are overdo this thing. Nathan there, behind the camera right now. So there we are doing things. A Jamaican link up in there. So I say, straight from Nova Scotia and forward in a BC. You see me I say, whole Jamaica link up. So we do support and understand the thing. I see. So you are going to big up everybody. Respect, Tony, Nathan, say something to you.
Don't know how it going on. Sorry, everybody never there, so we can throw on some things, you know, but they don't know how it going on. I'm not clean, but if we just put on something because I don't know. I'm here the cameraman.
So I throw my cards on the table. I wanna love you, love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right overhead. We'll share the shelter of my Savior bed.
Tony, wonderful. Thank you guys.
Which one you want?
I take the spicy.
Yeah, what I'm doing.
There it goes.
What I'm telling you that if you want fish, you can also have fish in Corrigo. It's on its way.
Oh, yeah.
I want you to meet my cousin here. He's Denver, so he's just making a video for me to
How's
make
it going?
sure
Yes.
we
Hey, how's it
remember
going? My
today.
name's Stephanie. Pleasure to meet you.
Okay, thanks.
And this is Matthew, sorry, and Hayden.
So,
Hey.
this is my vlogging channel.
Jamaican time.
So you can like in and out, no problem.
Okay,
And
that's good.
I'm doing a views for everyone.
Okay,
One in the blue.
okay.
So, who's Joe?
You know, right now, we're having an event here and the fish are here. They don't even wrap us yet. And the goat is run away. It can't catch the goat. I don't know where the goat is.
Put that. What up, Martin?
This after going nice.
I don't want the eye take a picture, you know. What do you do?
You bring water? The monastery.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah.
So what did you just go around?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Line up. Yeah, you're on few times done.
Really?
Yeah, you're off few times done. Nathan, I forgot to call it for me.
Oh, boy.
You not go feel it?
You can play that anymore? So, one.
You didn't realize that it was fast.
Oh, you know, I'm here waiting on the goat and the goat run away. You can't catch him. My gosh, I need a goat, bro. Oh, you know, that's my wife over there, Cynthia. This is my daughter here. This one right here. And that's Mr. Nathan Tarp, right? And his wife. And this is 15 little boy. and that's Kish over there, Mr. Dwight's son. You look like a boy, you know. I was still waiting on the goat. The goat run away. Can't catch him.
We're from Montego Bay, Jamaica. We're all from Montego Bay, Jamaica.
Oh, no. We're not all from Montego Bay, Jamaica. He's from Kingston over there.
Most of us.
He's from Kingston over there.
Kingston. Yeah, man.
And she's from Mandeville.
Oh, she's from Cool Mandeville. Yeah, and we're in the country part of Canada, Castlegar.
Top Chilani.
But we're making the best of the situation.
What is it?
YouTube.
Give me one.
Oh, YouTube. YouTube.
See, try start strucking the vlog on YouTube.
Say we not put on YouTube and talk about Cargoat. Boy, not easy to put on YouTube and talk about goat, run it. And this is my son over here.
Subscribe.
It is Michael Jordan.
Try, like and subscribe.
Yo, I saw Chuck video there on it.
Chuck.
Basically, that's a vlogging experience.
Are you Chuck in life?
Yeah, what we got you on him.
Yo, you for come here for one winter and vlog. Yes, for one winter. Then you have to chew and chain all 3, 4, 7 times. And that you for vlog. But them score for got you. That one.
Hey, Dave.
Yeah, yard style, yard vibes. You don't know. Andy in our house, you know? Yeah, and we are dealing with it. Yard style, yard style, you know? Yeah, and a truck alone, you know? And a truck alone, we deal with it everywhere. You see it? Flip them and jerk them, you know? Yeah, French fry barbecue, it all works. If you want it by the half, you get it by the half. Yeah. Leg and tie, you get it leg and tie. Straight. Yeah. Members of the park. Yeah, we have Alicia here, Alice here, you are? Tony. And Tony here. Right, give them a thumbs up. Yeah. Yeah, we're having fun, we're having fun, we're having fun. Oh, yeah.
Are you crazy? Crazy person. Behave yourself.
You're a smooth one.
Oh yeah. So meet my friends there. They take very good care of me. At Central City Shoes.
Central City Shoes.
Yeah, big up.
Yeah.
Wagwan. So.
Very nice party.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So.
Where do I get my ticket?
You keep your ticket because I'll be cutting it to get the raffle for you to get a shirt and the hat.
Okay.
Try, you're stressing out right now. You're stressing.
First, I want to say a big thank you for all the support here. It fills my heart with a lot of, well, I'm a happy person, but now it's even more overwhelming. Really and truly, I really love the turnout, and this is just a chance for us as Jamaicans to show my neighbors that how we
love how you do it.
And we party from morning until dawn. Yeah, I remember the first time I was invited to Element, and I went to work. And then got out the truck like after 12, went home, shower, and I got there like after 1. I see a lot of crowd outside and like, yeah, the party's booming. Not realizing that the crowd that's outside was inside. So I'm not used to like partying until 2 and then it's cut off. I'm used to like back until daylight, and, you know. So that was like a real wake up call there, eh? So anyway, we are doing a little thing here, just a token of our appreciation, and I would like someone, a Canadian, to come up, no Jamaican, and pick the numbers, and then we'll see who have won something. Anyone? Any volunteer?
Me. Oh, sorry.
Anyone? As long as it's not a Jamaican. You're not a Jamaican, are you?
You're not a Jamaican. I know.
So come around here.
Think that I am.
So, no peeking now, you know. No peeking now. Just pick one. And if you pick yourself, you have to pick again.
Oh, I was trying to find mine.
So
0179.
Do I look like one? Oh my. Because there's only one number like this in there anyway. Alright, so yes, I take it. Jamaica, Canada, link up. Good.
Pick mine. I don't know. Oops.
You read it out.
Oh, I read it.
Yep.
Oh, 01454.
Yes!
0154.
Oh.
0154.
Oh!
Well, there you go. And another volunteer.
Are you Jamaican?
Get my number. I got some Jamaican in me.
Supposed to reach for the wet one.
0129. 0129.
Oh, yeah?
Ah, nice.
Another volunteer? Yeah, that's only one number.
Oh, there you go. Good. Tom Cruise.
0039. Whoa. And another volunteer?
Let her pick. She got the prize. Let her pick. Right there. She picks. She got the towel. She can pick.
Yeah.
Okay, do I get to...
0167.
Zero what?
0167.
0167. You're welcome. Don't worry, next year it will be bigger and better. It will be bigger and better next year. The table will be like this high. So next volunteer, we have 3 more items. I hope a lady wins, so she can get back to do some baking.
Hold on, right here, Sophie.
Oh,
Pick my number, Sophie. Pick my number. Pick a wet one. Well, that's fine.
What does it say?
I don't know what.
Say 0, 2, 3, 1. Say it again. Say 0, 2, 3, 1. Right. Miss Shy Lady here is the one to speak up. So I'm going to speak for you. You want to speak up and tell them? Hey? You're brave, you know. You're pretty. Come on. Say it louder.
Sophie,
Say it louder.
Say it loud.
Yell my number.
Be like mommy.
Ready? 0, 2, 3, 1.
Are you kidding me?
I hope you can bake it.
No more picking juice.
Can you bake it?
I was banking on you. You're so cute. Sweetheart. Here's my card.
0, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
really wanted the flag though.
You wanted the flag?
When you get the wristwatch.
Suppose a gentleman wins the baking.
No,
We're not genderfied here.
she won the flag. She got a flag.
Can I please have the flag?
Can you please have the flag? She said she won the flag. What do you say? Give her the flag?
Yeah.
I want the flag.
Oh, okay. Take the
Oh,
flag.
she wanted it.
Okay. Have a good day. And thank you.
Jamaica.
So,
Thank you.
another volunteer. Anyone? Any volunteer?
Zero one nine
0199.
0199.
Oh yeah?
Well, I guess you're the
So lucky.
Okay. Another volunteer. We have one left.
We have the wristwatch.
One left. You want to volunteer?
0173.
Oh. 0173.
We got the stopwatch.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
There you go. Well, thank you all again.
Thank you.
The night is not done yet.
Thanks to all of you. That was a great meal. Thank you very much.
Not only thanking you for your support and your turnout, I would like also to thank AM Ford, who have been my sponsor initially, and not for this event alone, but one prior to this. It was a blast also. And they're very good people, I can tell you. They've done a lot for me here. That's why I decided to do the first event for them. And then I brought friends there, and they're like, Maisley, you need to do one more like this, you know. So this is how this one came about. So thank you for AM Ford. Could you give them a clap, please? Thank you.
No, easy now.
TriStars, AM Ford, and Jamaica, Canada link up. This is Basil, aka Basil to the world. Don't know.
Jamaica to the world!
YouTube vibes. YouTube vibes.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.